Welcome to my open house at 24092 Hurst Drive in Lake Forest. Come check it out. You have a locked gate for a private courtyard lined with beautiful vegetation with a sprinkler system. Come into your wonderful AC powered house. Really nice and cool for those hot days. A nice kitchen with my lender, Kathy. Hi, Kathy. Yeah, and this beautiful kitchen. 6-burner gas stove, extra wide oven, granite countertops, and this gorgeous island. Look at how big it is, and it has storage. Family area. Here's one bedroom that looks out to the yard. And the remodeled bath. Beautiful. It's the other downstairs bedroom that goes out to the finished garage. Look at this. How nice. EV charger right there, 220. Some cabinets to store, and it also has storage in the ceiling here with a drop down ladder for your convenience. Back to the living room, and we'll go upstairs. Upstairs, you have another 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Here's the 1 bedroom. Ceiling fan, hallway cupboards. The 2nd bedroom, ceiling fan, and they took out a closet and made this little area that you could use as a kitchenette, breakfast beverage area, coffee beverage, or late night wine, your choice. And it has an ensuite. Next, we'll go outside. So we're back outside in the courtyard, and this yard wraps all the way around. So nice. The pots have a drip system. And you have railroad ties that hold up the back garden area. And you have this raised foundation for the patio barbecue area. And some AstroTurf, keeping this yard very low maintenance. See, on this side there's the AC and an orange tree. You have a lavender bush here and another citrus. Out front, there's also a macadamia nut tree right in the very front by the curb. This here is the macadamia nut tree. Isn't she pretty? It's a nice neighborhood, established, real close to the freeway, Irvine Spectrum, and medical centers.